Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on and off Philips air fryer NA231. First plug in the air fryer and turn on the switch. Then locate the power on off button on the touchscreen panel. Here you can see the button. Press this button. You can see light on the display indicating that appliance is ready for use. Then tap on this temperature button. Here we can adjust temperature. See. Next I will show you how we can adjust timer. You can find timer button over here. Tap on that. Then you can use same buttons to adjust timer. See. Then here you can see the button. Using this button we can turn on or off interior light. If you want to pause or start, you can use this button. Let me start. See. If you want to pause, you can just tap here. Using this button we can start or pause the air fryer. Let me turn off. Done. Then turn off this switch. Okay, done. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video.